So this is the question number 17 from 2023 midterm morning session paper, and this question comes under the topic class 11th Python revision. So basically this one is the assertion and reasoning based question. Now based on the assertion and reasoning we will pick the what will be the right answer for this particular question. Now let's first see the assertion. Assertion is mentioned as a loop is a non-repetitive structure. So this is one incorrect. Why? Because loop क्या है आपका repetitive structure. However, let's continue with this one. तो लूप क्या है आपका एक नॉन रिपीटिव स्ट्रक्चर इन विच स्टेटमेंट और सेट ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स आर executed until the desired number of iterations is over. So this one is part is little bit correct and this part is little bit incorrect. Why? First of all, it is a repeated structure. प्लस जरूरी नहीं है कि आपकी डिजायर्ड नंबर ऑफ इटरेशन पे ही वर्क करे. कभी कभी क्या होता है आपका इन्फिनिट लूप भी होता है. नाउ कमिंग बैक टू द रीजनिंग देन. तो रीजनिंग क्या है आपका? द फिक्स इटरेटिव लूप इज a looping construct which is used to repeat the execution of block of statement for fixed number of time. So this one is the correct. Basically, it is trying to say कि एक fixed loop है आपका. It is run for fixed number of time. So this one is correct. So hence in this case जो आपका assertion है वो क्या है? False. But जो reason है वो क्या है आपका? True. Hence in this one option number D will be the correct one. As we already mentioned, option number D is the correct one for this one. Now we have a practice question on the loop. You need to answer this one in the comment box whether this particular statement is true or false. Okay guys, then that's it for the day. If you have any doubt regarding this one, feel free to ask in the comment box. Okay then, thanks for your time.